What's up? We're back in the kitchen, my kitchen, a dirty kitchen, and we spent the whole day on the mountain, and now we're making an après ski. For those of you that don't speak French, that means after ski, a whiskey cider, and a fondue. Some bratwurst and some bread. It's gonna be delicious. Dip some more. So we're gonna start with the fondue. I'm just gonna take my pot and I'm gonna rub these 2 cloves of garlic all over it. It gets a nice rub down.
Oh, I didn't get him.
Oh,
He's sneaky.
alright, and then when you're done with that, you're just gonna leave the garlic in the pot. And step number 2, 2 cups about of a dry white wine. Any white wine works. I got a nice Sauvignon Blanc here. And don't forget to take a sip. And you're just gonna bring that up to a boil. And once it's at a boil, you're gonna add about a pound of cheese. And I added a tablespoon of cornstarch to it. And then you're just gonna, once the wine is boiling, you're just gonna throw it in. And while we're waiting for that, we're gonna start on our other thing, whiskey cider. So you need any sort of apple juice. We're gonna be drinking with a few people today. And we're gonna bring that up to heat, but we're not gonna do a boil, because we're gonna throw some alcohol in there later, and we don't wanna boil that alcohol off. Thought I had more cinnamon, but I don't, but that's 2 sticks of cinnamon. And then this is some cloves. I just take a pinch of cloves. Next, we have whole allspice, 2 citrus fruits, and then also about an inch knob of ginger. So this is coming to a boil now. And black pepper, a touch of ground nutmeg, salt, as always. And then the last and final ingredient, German cherry liqueur called Kirsch. I was not able to find it, so I got a substitute, Shrubs blackberry drinking vinegar. So I'm just gonna throw in a splash. And excellent. We're just gonna let that sit on a low heat as we prepare everything else. Cool it off really fast. And then I got some rye whiskey, some Jack. That's it, that's good. And that's ready to serve. You can just ladle that into mugs. Some perfect cider. Hoagie Bear, sweetheart. It's supposed to be hot.
It's hot. It burned my tongue.
We got a bread in the oven, and I'm about to cook up these sausages. Take the bread out the oven, and invite all these e-bums to come get a meal. Here you go, bud.
This one is strong.
Step up. Got cheese, more bread.
Mine in the.
Huh?
What am I supposed to do?
Dip it.
Dip it.
And eat it.
Eat it.
Dip some more.
Right on.
That's napkin in the video.
No, I'm wiping it. I'm getting more of it onto my bread.
And that's it. It's simple. You just need a little white wine and cheese. And some idiots. Yay!
I'm made it.
And you got yourself a wonderful time. That's how you make a nice après ski.